Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Armored Thermopile for Bakers Pride Part M1265X. The Armored Thermopile for Bakers Pride Part M1265X is a thermopile that is designed to be used with Bakers Pride ovens. It is a replacement part for the original thermopile that came with the oven. The Armored Thermopile is made of stainless steel and has an armored sheath to protect it from corrosion and wear. It measures 6 inches in length and has 2 mounting holes for easy installation. The thermopile is designed to sense the temperature of the oven and then send a signal to the gas valve to open or close, depending on the temperature setting. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Armored Thermopile for Bakers Pride Part M1265X is designed to replace a faulty thermopile in a Bakers Pride oven. It can fix symptoms such as the oven not heating up, the pilot light not staying lit, or the oven not reaching the desired temperature. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the oven and disconnect the power cord. 2. Remove the existing thermopile from the oven by unscrewing it from the gas valve. 3. Install the new Armored Thermopile Part M1265X by screwing it into place on the gas valve. 4. Reconnect the power cord and turn on the power to the oven. 5. Test for proper operation of the oven by turning on all burners and checking for a spark at each burner location. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.